Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alexander, and if you have not stopped by here before, please remember, click and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video. Click on the bell icon notification when there is new video uploaded. And guys, today I am so excited because I am reviewing this little gadget. Yes, it is a phone gimbal that turned 350 degrees. Who is this gadget good for? No problem. If you're a TikTok user, this is the best gadget for you right now. If you also do a lot of Zoom meeting, this gadget is also for you. And also, if you're one of those person who do cooking shows or just like to fidget moving from one location or from one spot to the other spot, this device is just for you. And no, I did not sponsor by this company, so you know my review will be truthful. Coming up.
There's nothing in this world that I've ever needed more from you. I've been colder than this before. You've been on my mind.
So there you have it guys, that's what's in the box. There's a thank you card. We'd like to say thank you. On the back, it's read a lot of instruction where it said show you experience how the l'argent works. If that's the proper pronunciation. So if I'm not killing the name l'argent, more like a French name. User manual. It's a pretty long user manual. It's both sides, English, Korean and Chinese. Also in the box, a little remote. The remote itself comes with a user manual also. Gadget itself, the l'argent, comes with 2 arms and 1 phone mount. Looking at the gadget, you'd think there is a motor in this side, but no, there is not a motor in this side. This is just an arm to balance your phone. I'm going to show you why it's going to balance your phone. If you should remove this part and then remove the phone holder, then you have the option to mount your phone here. If you should mount the phone on the outside, this is what would happen when you mount a phone, and this phone is a Galaxy 3. It's a whole phone, and the battery is not in it as yet. So watch it. On the outside, the device will tip over. So that is one fault. Maybe if you want to do it like that, you should mount the phone on the inside. And that's not an option. Hence why this balance piece is here. So once you mount the phone on this side, it pretty much balances, have nowhere going. And remember, you have to mount your phone facing to the sensor. This black bar right here is where the sensor is. And from here you can rotate it, approach it, or landslide anywhere you decide to do your video. Once you pop your phone in, it's pretty much ready to go. Now here on the back we have two USB ports. These USB ports are not for charging, but guess what guys, they can power your lights and charge your phone while it's on the device. The device has a 1500mm hand. And these USB ports support any light or charge your phone. On the front is a sensor for the AI, and this AI is the one that tracks your movements or your face or anywhere you wish to go to. On the front is a power button right here. On the back is a charging port, and the bottom is a quarter jack, so you can mount it on a tripod. The Logron also comes with an app for the interface. The app is called 3D Live. It supports your Android or your iOS device. Once you pair your iOS or your Android device, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Turn on your Bluetooth and you pair with the Logron. Once you're paired with the Logron from a Bluetooth device, it's started to track your face. You can also set up your setting and it will move smoothly or to a speed that moderately that you need. So there you go guys, thanks for hanging out with me. I am Alexander. Remember to always subscribe to my channels and check out other video in the link down below.